Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add income on wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to click on that plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and you have to select at the top of the screen the income icon, and then you have to choose your account to which you would receive or to add that amount of money. So I have only the cash account, but if you have other accounts, of course you can select those as well. And you can, you have to select the category and scroll down and add the income. And here you can see subcategories like checks, coupons, child support, gifts, interest, and so on. And let's click on the checks and coupons, and then you have to type in that amount of money that you have received, like this. And after that, click on the check mark at the top of the screen, and that amount of money was added to my cash account. And if you scroll down, you can see the statistics, and you can see the last records overview, and today that $500 cash checks coupons, so to my cash account, not in cash. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.